A very warm morning to all present over here. It's me, Devasundar Panda, representing you from OS High School and we're studying in class 10. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human place. Also, we say, it's the mother of history, the great-grandmother of tradition. Coming to the point, this technology is AI. What does this AI mean? AI, artificial intelligence. What is this artificial? Made by human, made by man. Intelligence, ability of knowledge. The man-made which is knowledge about ability is known as artificial intelligence. Before going to start about artificial intelligence, let's know how many types are there of artificial intelligence. Mostly there are three types of artificial intelligence. Narrow AI, super AI and the most one is general AI. This generation is going to face super AI. So what does the topic states? My topic is nothing but is AI a threat of humanity or humankind? I would go against yes because it's a very harmful to us. AI is very disadvantageous also advantageous. We use in different ways. It has a different of utilizes. But among those potential, we have using concepts. Potential like AI is helping us in education, healthcare, workforce, cybersecurity, everything. But what about in concepts? We are human beings. We are completely coming from ancient, medieval and modern. If this modern year, if we don't know the misuse of these things, we are misusing AI. How? By using deepfake, cybersecurity and other all ethical and concepts, which is known as harmful of AI. Coming to the point, what does this AI makes us? We are humans, we are still lazy. So this AI is always making us still lazy by making jobless. How? If I was a teacher, if a jobless takes, if a robot makes students study, then what happens? So these robots, this AI always makes people of job distant, also called jobless, which is very harmful and a concept of AI. This is the biggest threat. I would like to say about cybersecurity. Everyone of girls, we are using Instagram, YouTube, other Snapchat. Yes, you use these things. You just follow yourself in profile. You send your post. You just upload every photo set of your privacies. These privacies changes into deepfake called cyber security without having any privacy. These things what happens whenever if a person deepfakes and hacks. Also know about Instagram. I think every 99% of students of this school uses Instagram. This Instagram does what? Nothing but if you are having public account, then obviously you are going to be hacked very fast because this super intelligence like AGI hashtag AGI always states about the artificial generative intelligence, which is very super intelligence among these things. Now this generation is technologically up to here, but we are still down. We are still upon general AI. So be aware of that threat of smart artificial generative intelligence, which is harmful to us, making a threat to a cybersecurity as well as an ethical concept to us people, us like students. We are still not grown up. We are still teenagers. So we need to think the threat of smart intelligence of these things. Coming to the point. Super AI. What does this do? I would like to talk about ideas, but also the favorite thing what is having. Yes, it is mostly helpful to healthcare. That my fellow competitor below who said that it is helping in education, in healthcare. Also, I would say it is also helping in agriculture and everything. But it is not the point. We need everything has misuse, everything has disadvantages. So beware of being the threat of smart intelligence. Lastly, but not saying that. We are technologies, it's good, but a human cannot be replaced by a robot. A human cannot be replaced by a robot because robot is nothing but not emotionless. But we are humans, like we are having emotions. We are self-independent by ourselves, but robot makes people unindependent, which we are like British rulers. It's like an AI. It always takes us to be get on our coverage. It takes our freedoms. It takes our all properties that we are having. So I would like to say that all my dear brothers and sisters, also my teachers, requested to you, don't be the threat of smart intelligence, but be the advocate and use it first. But don't do misuse of those AI because AI is very harmful to next generation and it could be a threat of human